Hello and welcome to this art tutorial with Shannon. In today's video we will be making a paper plane. You will need paper and colours. Let's begin. Take your piece of paper and fold it in half. Make sure it is as straight as possible. Next, take the corner and fold it down into a small triangle. When you are ready, take the top of the triangle and fold it down again. And now you have a long triangle. And then take that corner and fold it down again so that it's level with the bottom of the page. That is one half done. Turn your page over and do it again in a mirror image of the first. The small triangle, the long triangle, and the last triangle. And now it's time to fold out your wings. That's what it's going to look like. Fold the wings down again and decorate and colour them in. I'm drawing clouds, birds, a sky and sunlight. I want to use glitter pen on the one side and crayon on the other. You can make whatever pattern or drawing you want. You can also write or decorate under the wings. And there you have it, your paper aeroplane. Happy flying! Please make sure to like and subscribe and push that bell. I would love to hear from you, so comment down below to let me know what you think. And if you followed along with this video, make sure to send a picture. Be safe, be cool, be creative.